What's going on, y'all? We back with another episode of TooFast TV. Where we at? Tell them.
You don't want to miss this one because we're on Modified Culture. Last time we were here, it went viral. And this time, it's going to go viral. And next time, it's going to go viral. So you don't want to miss this one. And if next year we got an episode, you don't want to miss that one. Trust me.
Jeez! Let's go!
Hey, bro, you got my pizza? Media pass, media pass, media pass! They said Sean is special. He gets the media pass.
I'm like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing up and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the border. See cars out, got me beat by Verona. Out bag of money, knew I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Athletic, nigga turn him in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family if you run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Fuck his ass out, and I'm telling what he saw. Watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we a gang, but they say that we a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. Till lit on the plane, going to the middle. I'm like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego.
Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap, no, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap, no, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap, no, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap, no, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap, no, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap, no, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap, no, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap, no, I'm bringing it back.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us.
Got the new wheels. Did you see the new wheels?
These new wheels are beautiful. Sheesh!
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Maybe got an ego twice the size of the grill.
Alright, you know what? You look like you ready? You want him to go first? You ready? Alright, what's your name?
Matt.
Alright, best pickup line, what you got?
Did it hurt when you fell from heaven? That's all I got.
Hey, you know what? He's caring for her health. Okay, let's see what you got. Let's go.
Hey, guess what? I'm Honda. Wanna know why? Because best believe I'll be reliable.
Hold on. We're gonna try this again. And go.
I'm Honda. Because best believe I'll be reliable in your life.
Oh, you said he's car one. You said he's a Honda because he's reliable and he's cheap. All right. I'm only joking. Honda people don't run me over. I'm only joking. Elusive, listen. If you don't do this, your whole crew's watching. So don't let the crew elusive down. All right.
You want it now or later? That is the wrong.
You guys just lost a member.
If I could rearrange the alphabet, I'd put you and I together.
All right, the DJ.
Tough crowd, yo.
Listen, it's 2021. I'll pay for your OnlyFans.
I would jerk your dad off just to see where you came from.
Why can't I change? Keep off in the main. Reminisce, we like candy cane. Drop the top, drop it, let it breathe. Been long, been late. Bust the bills, but still ain't nothing changed. You in the mob, so that you rock the chain. Why can't I change? It is, keep off in the main. Reminisce, we like candy cane. Drop the top, drop it, let it breathe. Been lost, been late. Busting bills, but still ain't nothing changed. You in the mob, so that you rock the chain. She got the
TooFast TV wheel.
Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate hump. Niggas gotta move on my release.
Competition's going down right here, 2008.
What up, what up?
Are you ready? This is the way it works. King of the Hill. I'm gonna have you go, I'm gonna have you go. You guys let me know who stays on. Who's the champ? Dennis, give us up. Yo, how are you guys standing back there? Are you guys all right? Yo!
Right there.
Listen, pizza came in fire. You got something? Endless possibilities. Let's go! Are you ready? You know what to do.
Baby, when we pull up loud everywhere we go.
Lick your lips. What you got for him? Drop that.
In that brand new Gotti, fuck a cop car. Got the club moving like a golf cart.
There you have it, guys. Another wild episode. We're here, Modified Culture, TooFast TV, Challenge GTA. Woo! If you missed out this year, next year it's gonna be here. And yo, tell us what about the show, man. So sick, so sick. What do you think? Sick. TooFast.
TooFast TV. Hey. Yeah. He already knows what it is. I know what it is. Gang-ish. So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
Speed racing, that's a basic. Get my soul away just to make it. Got me basic,
you can't drive. It is what it is.